welcome back to Preeti Physics classes. I hope that every one of you is fine, fantastic and good, healthy. Okay, so bacha, today's topic is about the heat. Basically it's about the modes of transfer of heat, that how heat can transfer from one body to another body, another object or another body, and what are the methods, what are the name of those methods. So today's topic is the modes of transfer of heat. So first thing that you should know, is what is the heat. If in simple words I will help or I will explain. So heat is a form of energy, and it can transform from one object to other by temperature difference. Now what is temperature, bacha? Temperature is the measurement of hotness and coldness of object. It means we can find out the degree. We can use degree Celsius, or we can use the scale Kelvin or the Fahrenheit. In that we can measure the hotness and coldness of any object. So that is known as the thermometer. That device is known as the thermometer. And temperature is what? Temperature simply it can measure the hotness and coldness. So by the temperature difference we can see that the heat can transfer from one object to another. Very common example is a cup of tea. Okay, for example, we made tea and after that we are putting it for some time. So what you will observe that the temperature is reduced, or we can say warm or hotness of the tea, it become reduced, it become less. So what is the reason behind that? The temperature is decreased now. Why? Because heat from that cup of tea is transferred to the surrounding. So there are different methods in that, and basically the main three methods are there. So one is the conduction, one is the convection, and one is the radiation. That I want to tell you today, that what are those three methods in that heat can transfer. So simply तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए कि heat क्या होता है? Form of energy, and it can transform from one object to another by the temperature difference. Now if we will talk about the modes, so that it is divided into the three parts. If we will make with the help of the flow chart, so it will simply like this: conduction, one is convection, and one is radiation. But जब conduction जो होता है ना, that is firstly we will talk about the conduction. It generally happen in the solids. In this case, what is happening? The transfer of energy is happening from one molecule to another, then another to the next one, then to the next one, like that. Solids में होता है. In case of the solids, you know that matter is what? Matter is that having space, that occupy, that have mass, that occupy the space, that is known as the matter. Every one of you know. And matter divided into the four parts: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. So now I am talking about the solid. In case of the solid, you know that the atoms, or we can say molecules, are held very close to each other. They are very tight. In case of the solids, for example, these are the atoms. These are very close to each other, like this. Okay. So what will happen when the heat is given to a solid? If I am giving heat to a solid, for example, यहाँ पे हम लोग fire का use कर रहे हैं. We are giving fire. We are giving energy to all these particles. So when we will give energy to all these particles, what will happen? It will come firstly to these one. Okay. So energy, this will get the energy. Now this will transfer the energy to the next one. इसको transfer किया, इसने इसको transfer किया. Now this energy is transferred to this one. This energy transferred to this one. This one to this one. And finally, like this method, it will transfer to the last part, ये upper part. Energy start कहाँ से हुआ था transfer होना? From this end. Energy now finally comes to this end. For example, this is an iron rod. Metals are very good conductor of heat. Okay. So for example, this is iron rod, or we can say metallic rod. Now when you will put this rod in the fire, but you will observe that this part we are putting in the fire. So this part becomes hot. After some time, the the energy from the molecules transfer 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Finally, it comes to this end. So this kind of the transfer of heat, in that we can say that there is direct contact of the objects. We are saying that one object is coming in the direct contact of the heat or direct contact of the fire. In that case, energy is transferred one to another, and that energy transferred by the molecule's vibration is known as the conduction method. In this method, you can simply take this example also that I told you, iron rod example, or you can simply tell that when you are putting any vessel on the gas stove, that vessel start becoming hot after some time. So what is the reason? The energy is transferring. And very common example we can take from the classroom also, that for example, 3 of students are sitting in a particular row, or 4 students or 10 students, whatever the number of students are sitting. And if I will ask you one textbook, so what will happen, bacha? It is like this. See, I will tell you with the help of the diagram. These I will tell you later on. So what will happen, bacha? If here 1, 2, 3, 4, and here I can say teacher, okay, at this particular part. And if I will ask you, this is the student, first student, this is the second student, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Now if I will ask you that, I will ask the 4th number student that, bacha, please give me your textbook or give me your notebook. So what can happen? This student will transfer the notebook to this one will transfer the notebook to this one will transfer the notebook to this one, and this one finally transfer the notebook to me. So this method is known as the conduction. When the heat, notebook यहाँ पे इस example में notebook क्या है? Heat. That heat is transferring from one to another, and finally it comes to the second end. So if I am taking one iron rod here, so in this iron rod, if this is the end that is in the fire, if I am saying this end is in the fire, so this end is getting energy. Now this will transfer the energy to this molecule. This will transfer to this one transfer to this one, and slowly the complete rod will become hot. So this method of transfer of heat is known as the conduction method. Conduction method is the mode of transfer of heat, in that heat can directly goes from one point to another, and then another to the next one, and it is transferring the energy, and it is in the contact kind of energy, in that the object is in the contact of the fire. We can simply say that the heat conduction is a process in which heat is transferred from the hotter part to the colder part without involving any movement of the molecules. उस केस में ये जनरली सॉलिड्स में होता है बच्चा. If I am taking a rod, and in this rod these are the molecules that are present, so what will happen? If fire will start from this particular part, so it will get energy, then it will transfer energy to this much, it will transfer the energy to this one, it will transfer the energy to this one, and finally it comes here. So finally this was earlier the colder part and this was the hotter part, but slowly energy is transferring from the one to another. And if we are using our hand, or if we are touching this particular part, so it will become also hot. After some time it will become hot, and in this case what is happening, the molecules are not transferring, the molecules are not changing their position. Not like this, that this molecule is coming here and this is coming here. No, they are at the same position, they are vibrating at their place, and they are transferring the energy without any actual movement of the molecule. So this is known as the conduction method. In the second method, now the second method is generally happen in the liquids, and we can say fluids के case में. So fluids में क्या आता है? Liquids and gases both. So in that case the method of transfer of heat is known as the convection. See, if we will write like this, what will happen in this case, bacha? In this case there is partial movement of the molecules. In case of the liquid and gas, you know that the molecules are not so closely held to each other. You know, they are not very close to each other. In that case there is a gap between the molecules. So what will happen when we are giving energy to them? So they will get the energy and they will change their position. You know, so that when there is partial movement of the molecules, that is known as the convection. In this case, there is no movement of the molecules. So this is what conduction. Now, if I will talk about the second method, second is known as the convection method. In that case, what will happen? For example, if we are considering this is a pan in that water is boiling, okay. So now you all know molecules of water. So they are not so close like solids. Like this, okay. And for example, from here I am saying that I am using the fire, okay. From here the fire is coming. So what will happen in this case? The energy is transferring. So energy, firstly the energy will transfer to this pan. So this is known as the conduction. This pan will become hot after some time, direct contact. So this is known as the conduct. But after conduction, the energy now will go inside to the molecules. So firstly it will go to this molecule, then to this molecule, the nearby molecules. So what will happen? You will observe after some time these are getting too much energy and they will become light. So this molecule will change its position. It will go here. Now the upper one, the colder one, it will come at its place. This molecule will go upper side and the molecule that is the colder one will come at this place. This molecule will go upper side and the molecules that are colder will come this place. So what will happen, bacha? It will be the process like this. If this molecule is nearby the fire, so it will get energy and it will go upside, and the upper one, that is the colder one, actually it will become heavy, dense, and it will come down. Now after that it will again get the energy, it will go up, then it will come down. So this method, in that what is happening, actually there is a movement of the we can say the molecules. जैसे मैंने तुम लोगों को क्लास का एग्जांपल बताया था, in first case when I am asking the notebook to one of the students, so they are transferring the notebook to each other and finally notebook comes to me. But what will happen if the last bench student comes directly to me and give me the notebook? So in that case, actually the molecule is changing its position and then is transferring the energy. So that method is known as the convection method. This method happened in case of the liquid and in case of the gases. Actually this method, we can simply say heat is transferred in the liquid and gases or the fluids from the higher temperature to the lower temperature. In this case, what is happening? There is a partial movement of the molecules also involved. So this is known as the convection. Now the third process is radiation bacha. In case of the radiation, there is no molecule. Okay. Listen, try to understand. Radiation, this is the process in that we can say heat is transferring without involving any medium. There is no medium there, okay? So there is no like molecules present there. For example, the sun energy coming to us. So radiation method. In case of the radiation method, it does not involve molecules transfer, or we can say molecule. It does not involve molecules. It can happen in case of the vacuum also, that when there is vacuum, it is a simple process in that heat is transferring from one body to another without involving the molecules of the medium. It does not depend on the medium. We can simply say it does not depend upon medium. जैसे कि जो सन रेज जो हमारे पास आ रहे हैं, they travel through the vacuum also. Light rays is coming to us to the earth, sun rays is coming to the earth. So generally it is about the electromagnetic waves that comes to us. So there is no role and no need of the medium. There is no molecules involved. So अगर हम लोग क्लास का एग्जांपल लेते हैं, that if I will ask you for the notebook, so last bench student what he will do, he will throw the notebook from that particular place and I need to catch the notebook. So this method, in that there is no movement happening between the molecules. So nothing involved, किसी का भी involvement नहीं है, कोई अपनी position change नहीं कर रहा है, किसी को heat transfer नहीं हो रहा है. It is directly come to me without involving any medium, without involving any molecule. So that method is known as the radiation. So these are the three basic and important method in that we can say the heat transfer. Okay, simply once again I can summarize that the conduction is the method in which the molecules get the energy, they transfer the energy from one to another and then it comes. In case of the convection, what is happening? The molecules are changing their position. There is partially movement between the molecules, and in the third place there is no role of the molecule, nothing is involved. So simply there are three methods. One is known as the conduction, one is known as the convection, and one is known as the radiation. So I hope that now you got the three modes of the heat transfer. Thank you so much and have a very good day. Bye bye. Thank you.